you take care that whenever you handle these banknotes and coins, you use hand sanitizer or take precautionary measures. Again, I would suggest you to use online transaction for most of the transactions you are doing. There could be a question in somebody's mind that after prolonged use of mask, will it cause CO2 intoxication or oxygen deficiency? And the answer to that question is no. Even if you use mask, but properly worn mask, even if you use mask for prolonged period, it is not going to cause any CO2 intoxication or oxygen deficiency. So nothing to worry about it. You can use mask, and it has been suggested and reiterated by WHO, CDC, and Government of India that whenever you are out of your home, please kindly use mask. If you if you that need not be a surgical or medical mask always. That could be a simple cloth mask or face cover, a better terminology, face cover. Initially, when this disease was came to India, we all were so much panicked about it. But nowadays, with time, most of the people have realized that 85% people will not know that whether they contracted the infection or not, and many of them will be mild symptomatic. So there is nothing to worry about this infection. Yeah, there is nothing to worry and get. Even if you get positive, don't worry about it. You will be recovered. I'm assuring you, you will be recovered without any complications. But that doesn't mean that doesn't. I'm not saying that you should be complacent about it and not following the standard practices. No, you follow all practices and rest assured that whenever there will be infection, you will definitely recover from it. Drinking alcohol does not protect you against. See, on one side, on one hand, we are saying that the virus is destroyed by alcohol, and that's why we are recommending alcohol based sanitizer having more than 70% alcohol content. But see, there is difference between killing virus in vitro and in vivo. Many drugs, many substances which are very effective against, even soap and water is very effective against killing this virus, but that is outside in vitro. If once the virus is inside your body, that virus merges with your body cells, and at that point of time, these substances and drugs are not effective. Even there was one research stating ivermectin is very effective. Ivermectin is a simple drug used for helminthiasis, worm infestation. But that drug, though many people, some people use it, that drug haven't proved effective against treating this disease. So even though the alcohol has killing effect outside, drinking alcohol will not protect you or will not kill viruses inside your body. So don't go under that impression that drinking alcohol will protect you. On the other hand, it will cause harmful effects because it will increase the risk of health problems. You know, there are many problems associated with drinking alcohol. You must be aware of it. You might have seen at many workplaces and before entering many premises, people nowadays are using thermal scanner. Is that a diagnostic of COVID-19? No. Let me tell you, that is not diagnostic of COVID-19. It simply detects temperature of that person. So if the person is febrile, that could be one of the symptom due to COVID-19. So it has been suggested that once you are having some symptom, you should not visit the uh, common places, or you should not move out of your basically you shouldn't move out of your home. So thermal scanner is basically to detect your temperature. It has nothing to do with diagnosis of the COVID-19. See, many people keep claiming that alternate medicine is very helpful I'm not naming any such pathy or any such system of medicine. I'm not against any system of medicine. They all are complementary, and basically all these pathies are for betterment of the human health. But you might have, if you come across people claiming that adding pepper to your soup will prevent the COVID or cure COVID-19 disease, that doesn't have any scientific basis. Simply, there is no any scientific evidence to prove that adding pepper or having a spicy food will cure or prevent you from COVID-19. Now, a question might arise in your mind that if this virus can stay for some time on surfaces, as we have seen, this virus can be there on banknote surfaces, coin surfaces. So, if the virus can stay for some time, for some hours, depending on the temperature and other environmental factor on surfaces, why is it get transmitted by houseflies? And answer to that question given by WHO is there is no such evidence that houseflies can transmit this virus. So, but what I am saying is there is no such evidence. Tomorrow evidence might arise, come up. So, what I again suggest you, keep your home free of these houseflies. Take due care in maintaining proper environmental condition or sanitation of your home so that there wouldn't be this housefly nuisance. Spraying or introducing bleach or another disinfectant into your body will not protect you against COVID 19 and can be dangerous. You might have seen some of the videos circulating on WhatsApp. People going through some tunnel and there is a shower of some disinfectant. Let me tell you, it is totally ineffective in curing, or it is totally ineffective in preventing the transmission of disease from one person to another person. So it is totally discouraged, highly discouraged by WHO, that totally discouraged that you shouldn't go under such impressions, and there is no any role of the disinfectants and bleach sprayed over your body, because what goes inside can transmit the infection even if you are sprayed with these disinfectants on your body surfaces. Drinking methanol, ethanol, or bleach doesn't prevent or cure. As I have already mentioned this point, that killing virus in vitro and killing virus inside your body is different. So there is no any role of these disinfectants and ethanol and other things in killing virus inside your body. In fact, it can be dangerous to your health. And with methanol, your optic neuritis, or there could be a damage to your nerve of your eye, and that can lead to blindness. So don't go under those impressions. Don't ever try these these kind of things. Exposing yourself to sun or temperature higher than 25 degrees Celsius does not prevent or cure COVID-19 disease. You might have heard people claiming that with the summer, with the arrival of this season, summer season, there could be decrease in number of cases, but that didn't happen for India, and many countries having higher temperature than India or this 25 degrees Celsius are having these COVID-19 cases. So there is no any role of cold or hot temperature on survival of this virus, and don't get exposed or don't expose yourself to higher temperatures, considering or thinking that you will be cured of or you will be get protected from this COVID-19 disease. Yeah, there is. As this has gone to WHO, somebody might have raised it, or somebody might have claimed it, that eating garlic will help prevent infection with new coronavirus. No, Garlic is a healthy food and that may have some antibiotic and antimicrobial properties, but there is no any recent, there is no current, there is no any current evidence showing that eating garlic will prevent or cure you from this COVID-19 disease. Now, this is for those who are having pet animals with them. Can can somebody catch COVID-19 from their pet animals like cats, dogs, or any other animal? And answer to that question is this. Several dogs and cats, domestic cats and tigers, in contact with infected humans have tested positive. That means infection have transmitted to them. In experimental conditions, cats were able to transmit infection to other animals of the same species. Now, again, in a experimental mental condition, cat were able to transmit infection, but there is no any evidence as of now showing transmission of the disease from these pet animals to humans. Is it? It is as of now. So again, I would suggest you, though there is no any evidence, better avoid handling, avoid kissing, licking, or sharing food with your pet animals. Take necessary care that you are not in a close contact with your pet animals and you are taking all other care mentioned earlier, like washing your hands after handling your pet animals and other things.